Hey everybody, I'm Jorge from Pleexy, and in today's video, we're going to be going through how to connect your Microsoft To Do with your Notion account. So this is useful if, for example, you have a customer who uses Notion and you use Microsoft To Do for your daily task management, or you have, for example, your family organizes everything in Notion and you have your Microsoft To Do. So this sync allows you to bring all of your tasks from Notion into your Microsoft To Do. This helps you save time and avoid duplicate work and help you stay focused on your task. And most important of all is to have an overview of everything what you have to do. So you never miss a deadline, or you basically have all of your tasks in one place, and that allows you to be more productive in the end. Cool. So now that we're done with the intro, let's jump straight to it. All right. So before we start, let me show you what I have, right? I have, well, right now I'm in Pleexy's homepage, and I also created this empty Microsoft To Do account, right? As you can see here, tasks is empty. And here there is a Notion page with a database called Microsoft To Do Tasks. That is also, it has 3 pages or 3 items, and that's it, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I am going to log into Pleexy with Microsoft To Do, right? This one is a dummy demo account, and that's what I'm using it. So I need to sign in. With Pleexy, you don't need a password or or email account or anything like that, because what we do is we connect your task manager. So it's the task manager that you use, the one that you use to collect with Pleexy, right? To log into Pleexy. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and create a connection. This takes me to this page where I'm going to have to give access to whatever I need to give access to Notion so that Pleexy can read it. And this is basically, you're going to select the page where your database is. In my case, my database is in Microsoft To Do Demo. As you can see here, Microsoft To Do Demo is called, and the database is called Microsoft To Do Tasks, right? So I'm gonna allow access. And because I did this before, right? This is already synced, so it's pretty quick. I'm gonna give this a name, Notion Demo, for example. And right now, I'm gonna go pretty quick through all of this because we have other videos where we explain what all of this does. But basically, what I'm doing is I'm telling to bring tasks from the database, from Microsoft To Do Tasks with any status. And when tasks are done, I'm going to move them to done, right? I'm not syncing projects. So it's this is not relevant at this moment. And I'm going to sync the tasks that are assigned to anyone. I can choose between anyone or me, and tasks older than 45 days will be ignored, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell Pleexy how to create my task. I'm just going to say NTN instead of Notion, just for just giving it a bit of a different twist. So what this is going to do, here I am defining how my tasks going to be created. Right? So all the tasks that Pleexy sync will be created as NTN/task name, right? And because I don't have created these columns in Notion, then I'm not able to sync them, right? If you want to know more about this, we have a ton of information about it. So please check our help desk or contact us via the in-app chat, and we're always here, and we're happy to help, right? So then in the next step, I'm going to tell Pleexy to create tasks in my tasks list. I can select different tasks if you different lists, sorry. You see here, Pleexy is bringing the lists that I have created, which are these ones right here, right? uh, but yeah, I'm just going to leave it as tasks because I don't want to overcomplicate things. And then these last are sync options, right? So if you want tasks to be completed in both ends, deleted in both ends, and so on. So cool. Having done this, I'm just going to go and create a connection because Plex is connecting different APIs. So this process might take a bit of time, right? But while it does, okay, it was pretty quick. And now I'm going to show you a couple of things that will happen. So here, what? Okay, yeah. See that it took a bit of time. I was confused for a bit, but I'm gonna leave this in the video so that you can see that sometimes it takes a bit of time. At the beginning, it only synced two tasks, but then it sank the other one, right? And this is what I was telling you before, that sometimes things take a bit of time because we're working with APIs and they are talking to each other, right? So it's basically three different websites or digital products talking to each other. So there's a lot of factors that are involved in communication between them. So sometimes things might take a bit of time. So I'm going to complete this task here, right? And I'm also in Notion, I'm going to complete the one with Jorge, for example, right? So one with Jorge, I'm going to mark it as done. And the task there was done. So while this takes its time to do the magic, I'm going to stop the video and I'll be back in a couple of minutes so we can see what happened. Okay, see you in a bit. All right, so we're back. I just went and grabbed a sip of water because all the talking makes my throat pretty dry. But as you can see here in the history, you can see how Microsoft To Do completed one task, the right churn report, and also the one-on-one with Jorge was completed, right? So what this is telling me right now is that if I go to Microsoft To Do, I'm still going to see one task, which is review budget that hasn't been completed. And if I go to Notion, I'm going to see these two in the done column. And well, yeah, review budget is going to be in its column. So let's check it out. As you can see, this is review budget. It's there. And then churn report and one with Jorge are in the done column. So what I just showed you is how Pleexy syncs your tasks, and there's a lot of like more complex customization that you can do. I invite you to create your connections, play with them, ask us questions if you have any blogs or questions, feedback. Please let us know. Your feedback is very important for us. It helps you improve the product. And yeah, give it a go. Let us know and enjoy it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.